I'm going to do an unboxing video. Most people do it for things like video cameras. Yawn. You just go to the store and try those out. Anyway, I'm doing it for a book. I've been wanting this book for a while. So you can see what it is here. It's not this one. This one I'll be doing next. But for now, it's this book. It's the Touch Me Not book. A little peek at it here. Now, you may think, okay, big deal. All this is online, no problem. Why buy the book? Because they translated it. So who can resist? What magician, necromancer, and so forth can resist something like that? Okay, so it's kind of a large book. To give you an idea just how large this book is, well, it's kind of as tall as these, actually. As the new Enochian ones, which I'll be doing next. But, so here we are, the peak, the front, and the back cover. And it comes in nice saran wrap, too. Anyway, Touch Me Not. And the shipping did make it, no problem. Nicely done, nicely done. So it took a little while, you know, to get from the UK to here, but it made it. And I even picked the cheap version, because why not? What's the hurry? So it made it just fine with the cheap version. Now let me open this. You know, when you're doing an unboxing video, usually you'd have a knife nearby or something, right? Oh, anyway, here we go. I'll get this eventually. Can you tell it's my first unboxing video ever? But, you know, I wanted to have it for something pretty cool. Unlike a video camera. Oh, there we go. Oh, further unboxing. Not so sure I want to just tear this off. It is kind of nice. Oh, well, here we go. We'll just open it. Nice presentation. Ooh, I like the cover. And can you tell with this iPad? Let's see. As you can tell, it's recessed print. And it's a little hard to tell if this is video, but it is kind of metallic. There we go. First page. You know, I made this into a talisman ages back. As soon as I saw the manuscript online, this hand, or a similar one to this, there's more than one in this book, became a talisman. So I made them and I wear them, and of course they're available on my website. I know everybody's going, how dare you do that, but whatever. Why have a book when you don't read it? You know how many people I went to college with and they would never read the books? Never highlighted them? Well, I won't be highlighting in here, don't worry. Never underline them? No, I won't be doing all that to this, but I am going to read it. Anyway. That's an interesting start. For these spirits hurled down by the thunderbolt of the curse are fiercest enemies, and be constantly on your guard. Nice intro picture. So, we've all seen this picture before online. Well, if you haven't, check it out. You can hunt them up. It's available. Oh, I forgot which university now, but one of those universities has the complete manuscript in color online, but not translated. Anyway, if this says anything about what happens during the working. Now, this might remind me of a working or two I've done in the past, but fortunately it didn't go quite as badly as his working. But it does show some things. Okay, so calling various spirits from within the cemetery. Well, where else would you work? Where else can you go and be undisturbed for an entire night? Now, this gets a little interesting. Oh, here's the most famous one. This picture's been around for years. Now, I'm not going to show you the whole book. I just, yeah, let's get a few random ones. Oh, see, we have seals here and there. You know, I'm having trouble with this font. This is a little embarrassing. A work of supernatural horror. I know I didn't pronounce that right and read that word wrong. Oh, nice. They also, of course, include the original manuscript in here, which is nice. Because there are so many books that do not, and you wonder, did they translate that properly? What did the original look like? So they add that, which is very cool. And here we get some interesting figures. Whether they be talismans or spirit seals, we don't know yet. Ah, here's the one. Here's the one I made into a sterling silver talisman. Or amulet, I guess, would actually be more like it. Makes a very cool one, if anybody needs a copy. Oh, that's nice. They went and darkened the original. There we go. This is the picture I put on Facebook to show what it feels like some mornings when I haven't had enough sleep. Anyway, you know, everybody these days is doing all the awesome, beautiful pictures of ourselves at the best angle and all that. So I just think it's funny to, you know, put that as a profile picture. We've seen him around before. So some of these pictures have been around for a while, but other of these pictures, I've never seen that one before, are less well known. This one, of course, we've seen this one because it explains, just the picture itself, let alone reading it, explains how work has been done, how to do work and so forth, and the description of it. I think I've seen that one around before. And here we have the words, the best part. I know the pictures are awesome, but it was the whole translation part that I was looking forward to. So it tells you how you're supposed to do it, what you're supposed to do, what to observe. And I'm not going to show too much because that gives away the juicy bits, and you should just order this book. It's a pretty awesome book. And a nice hand image on the back. And to show you the size of these images, well, here's my hand. It's a rather large book. You're definitely getting your money's worth in this one. I don't buy that many books. I just, you know, call up the Invisibles and chat with them. Or my teacher, or something like that, right? But I'm not big on the books. Especially ones that you can already find at universities online. But this one is worth every penny. So wait until I've done reading it and I'll let you know some further opinions on this book and whether it's workable or not. I might even share some experiences, though I tend to share those several years after I've completed the works with each particular book. I don't tend to sit there and update people halfway through my workings. That's just not wise magically on so many levels. So there you go. Oops. The amazing Touch Me Not book. And I should probably actually go into detail on where and how to order this. Let's see if we get some more details here. Oh, I might post that link right below this video. That'll be a little easier. But it's another awesome work by Folger. Translated by edited and translated by Tilton and Cox. Oh, here we go. Table of contents. That's nice seal there. That's the important part. Yeah, introduction, the manuscript, text and translation.
Thanks for watching. Comment, like, and share.